Hi guys, I'm Mark, this is Mark's Tech Vlogs on YouTube and welcome to the first video of 2018. I'm really excited about this video because this is going to be an unboxing video for the Air by crazybaby kind of wireless earbuds. I've been waiting weeks for these to arrive and I finally picked them up. So let's open up the box and check out what's inside. Okay, so here we have the box for the Air by crazybaby. The box is a nice simple design. It's quite Apple-esque in its style. You can see through this clear top here the capsule itself that contains the earbuds. If we turn the box around, we can see on the side Air by crazybaby nano, and then the back here just gives you an overview, so you can see a picture of a product and it tells you a bit more about it. So let's just check it out and open it up. So we've got this sleeve on the outside, so I'm just going to remove that. I'll pop that to one side. Okay, so we've just got a bit of tape on the side here. Okay, so now that the tape's removed, we can just lift that up and peel the other bit off. And then we've got the capsule here, which we just pull up with this tab. So that's all built into that. We'll pop that out in a second. And then we've also got, if we tip this, we've got a quick start guide. And then we've got two little boxes down here. We have got the charger cable. This is USB-C, so that's for plugging in via USB, and you plug the capsule in to charge it. And then in here you've got a selection of spare kind of ends depending on the size of your ear, and you've also got these wings, a couple of sets of those depending on the size of your ear again. If you want to attach those just to make sure they're held in nice and securely, it's a really nice touch to have those in there as well. But let's pop this out of here and have a closer look at that. So once the capsule is out, we just need to take off this bit of plastic. And then here we go. The capsule itself isn't particularly huge, but it's not tiny, which is really good because it means you're not going to lose it particularly easily, but it's also not really chunky if you want to carry it around in your pocket. The end here is the USB-C port, and let's just open it up and see what you get. So we pull this apart, and you can see straight away there your two earbuds. Now they sit in there to charge, and you can feel that you've got magnetic charging points there, so they actually charge when they're in the case. So we could take those out and just have a quick look at those. But the case itself is a really nice, simple design. Just clips together like that magnetically, so it's not going to pop open, and the earbuds pop in there to charge. It's a really well thought out design. Let's get these paired up and have a closer look at them. Okay, so the recommendation from crazybaby is that before you actually get these connected up to your device, you give them a first full charge. You can tell something is fully charged by the indicator light on the tip here. So when it's fully charged, it goes green, and when it's not fully charged, it goes orange. And of course, this will get you quite a lot of time because they charge in this case when you're not using them. So let's just open up and get them connected. So getting these set up is really easy. You simply press and hold the on-off button on the end of these devices until it illuminates. So I'm going to do that on each one. So you can see there the LED band has illuminated. It's just a white light around the outside there. So all you do then is you go into the Bluetooth settings on your device and you simply select the Air by crazybabies, and that should pair them up nice and easily. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I was really excited about unboxing these. I'm going to use these for about a week and bring you a proper review on this channel, so make sure you look out for that as well. If you want to be first to hear about it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.